What's up, boys?
So I've got some plans for this section here in the front. Try and see if I can show you. Oh. So behind me here, this brown chest will be leaving. My golf clubs, stuff like that. Let's see what. Lawnmower. This big box will go inside. There's some industrial fans right here. The wagon hopefully will go outside. And I'm prepping this area to be a workout rack, bench system. I'm getting into working out quite a bit. I got to work off the dad bods. You can see this stack of wheels. We just got some new wheels, Enkei wheels. Really pumped on those, but they're taking up space. So I'm going to try and put them on the shelf up here behind me. I'm going to build another one of those floating shelves, kind of, right here above the workbench. So we're taking everything off the particle board. We're going to cut the particle board down, add another shelf across the top here. It'll kind of mimic this shelf. And my dad's here, so I've been diving in working already, and I kind of forgot to film some of the stuff we've been doing, but we got one coat of paint on here. It's a thick coat, so it might do it, but we'll come back and check it in the morning. You can see how it matches the bottom. Overall, I think it turned out pretty good. I'll share a picture of it too. But yeah, blends in pretty good. Can barely see the rack or the shelf there. So our Makolo power rack, the F4 power rack behind us, got all the pieces out. Went with the red and black setup. I got our two mats set up on the floor. So it's like a 6 foot by 8 foot piece or square here on the floor. And we're gonna start putting it together. All right, we've completed assembling the power rack system. You can see it behind me. Turned out pretty good. I know it's not the best view, but I'm kind of jam-packed in my garage right now. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up some of these boxes, some of the trash, get the lawnmower, it's right here, get it outside, stuff like that. Make it a little more spacious in here, but we got the rack built, so definitely pumped on that. I'm excited to start using it. It's gonna help my home workouts, so excited about that. And it came together pretty easy. This is the Makolo F4 power rack. Had pretty good reviews. It wasn't crazy expensive, and I think it'll do good for me just at a home gym. So went together pretty easy. There's a YouTube video and the instruction book it gives you. I kind of went between the video and the book. It kind of is useful to use both, to be honest with you. There are a couple pieces that are mislabeled between the video I used and this, the instructions they gave me. So I just alternated between both of those. I would recommend doing that. I would also recommend using some type of like impact wrench or something to tighten the bolts. It goes a lot faster. They give you two wrenches in the set, but they're very small. They're not really user-friendly, and it would have taken me probably 5 times as long. So yeah, excited about this, and now I can get back to working out and get back to the race car. Cool.